Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is March the 6th. We are out here in the Brookhaven area. This is a new client, Miss Jeanette. She actually found me on Google. I came out. She did a paid in-home consultation. I came out, I think last week. She booked on the spot. We got 634 square feet, screen recoat and UV curing. Shout out to Christian, my recommended mover. They came in this morning, moved her furniture, and she said, Courtney, she's going out of town, so she said, I'm going to have them come back tomorrow and put the furniture back. And then we went and did a consultation this morning. She booked on the spot. Then we got three more consultations. So when we get the coating down here, we're gonna let it dry for a few hours, go off and do two more consultations, grab some lunch, come back, do the UV curing, and then we have another consultation on the way back into the office. We took off this weekend, so we're not working this weekend. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, so we're in this nice, beautiful neighborhood, and these are the floors that we're going to be doing. Typical red oak that you guys see us do a lot. And they just really got some worn areas, okay? Not too bad. Now, we're not doing this side, so what we want to do is tape it off. We're going to be going with a satin finish so it can kind of match the same sheen on this side that we're not doing. So we're going to be doing, guys, you come in, we got this foyer. This is where most of the wear is, mostly just right here in this high traffic area, also in the kitchen. And that's the one thing that my client noticed. She said, Courtney, I just noticed the wear, see, like right here, all through here, and these are what we call high traffic areas. I used to clean carpets, so that's what we would consider high traffic areas, and those are the areas that usually wear the most because those are the areas that get most of the traffic, okay, the foot traffic. And then right here, which you can't see because of that sun. So T, what he's doing now is just taping off the areas, so when I roll, I won't get poly on those areas. All right, guys, well, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Like I said, it's a small job. So go ahead and get it screened down, get it vacuum cleaned. Going to add some color back to those worn areas and then put the rag coat down. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Brookhaven, Georgia. Early morning light on the hardwood grain. Client searching Google, looking for somebody they can trust again. And Truman pulled up. Yeah. Client said the floors look tired and old. Scratches in the story, shine turned cold. Tried a few fixes, but the shine wouldn't stay. So they searched online and found Truman that day. Pulled up to the house, consultation in the room. Sun hitting the floor, see the dull in the bloom. I said, don't worry, we can bring it back to life. One day system, no dust, no strife. Screening it down smooth, bring the color correction. UV cure finish for the floor protection. No lingering odor, no long delay. You'll be walking on it tonight, same day. One day, floor shining brand new. Brookhaven homes with that Truman view. When the shine comes back, you know it's true. One day we're that Truman way. No dust, no wait on the day. Find us when trust is due. Brookhaven floor, shining like new. Truck outside with the Truman name. Years in the craft, respecting the game. Screen spinning smooth across the grain. Screen spinning smooth. Watch that tide old wood regain. Color correction bringing warmth to the tone. Black sunlight dancing across every home.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. That satin rag coat. When I tell you, man, that is a beautiful finish. That is a beautiful finish. And also check this out, guys. I do let clients know if we don't do the other half where the floors connect, sometimes you can see the sheen difference. But, guys, I must say that blend out. Come over here, guys. See right here? You cannot even tell So I always do my best to try to match up the sheen if we don't do other parts of the home where it does still connect. And that really came out. I mean, that's probably one of the best ones I've seen. Anyway, I went out and did 3 consultations. The other one we rescheduled to Monday morning because it's actually closer to the job we're going to be doing Monday. So again, guys, we taped off right here, and that blended in really good. So 2 of the 3 consultations booked today. One for next Friday, Midtown, and another one for the following week. And yeah, my client, thank you so much. She left. She said she paid me. Said, Courtney, just close the door. When you're done, I'll be back later. And her floors came out amazing. She complimented me so much on my professionalism, my appearance, my van route, my review. She said, Ashley, you're going to have another review. So guys, that's what it's all about, man. Showing up, what I call show up and show out. Do your best. People can recognize that, they can see that, and they appreciate that. Again, floors came out amazing. No really, I mean, again, her only issue, the floors just had some wear, but really just right up here in this kitchen area, came out really beautiful. Where it was really worn, came out really good, guys. That's beautiful. And then over here, and she said, Courtney, what did you do right here? I said, that's just one of my techniques where we add some color back to the area and, you know, try to blend it in the best of our ability. Sometimes, again, guys, this is not a full sanding. So when you do screen and recoats and you're trying to do color correction, sometimes it can be challenging. Sometimes it can be so challenging where they have to get the floor sanded. Because I did one about 2 months ago. I don't know if you guys remember Roswell. And the only reason why, because the stain was a mixture of stain, and we could not get that color correction to match. So they had to get the whole floor sanded. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. We're off this weekend. Be back at it Monday. I have a ride along coming in from the Carolinas, Mr. Ray. He's coming in from the Carolinas on Monday. Be with us Monday and Tuesday. And we got a huge one on Wednesday, a 2,500 square feet job on Wednesday. And got one Thursday, and then I booked that condo for Friday. I might have another one Friday. He's going to send me some pictures when he gets home. And he's in the same area. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Look at that. It's beautiful, man. She is going to love this. All right, guys. See you in the next one.